Bailey, what is going on? Yes, look at that. There's people living in our woods. Welcome back, everybody. Starting from the back of the house today, we're gonna do a quick tour like always, but first I wanna thank you for your support, your feedback, and your comments over the past few weeks. We appreciate all those. Today we are gonna do another tour of the house. You can see we have some siding going up. We've got drywall in. The house is really starting to take shape. I'll do a quick tour. I think everybody understands the layout of the house, so this tour will be a little bit quicker. But I do want to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to show you two products that we're using in our house that I think you'll like to put in your house. Let's roll. So today we'll start the tour in the back of the house, in the basement. You can see my shop there. And this is where we'll have the garage door that will open up to the outside for our rec room in the basement. You can really see this is starting to take shape. Right there on that wall is where my Chiefs jerseys will go. And then down here, we've got our nice basement bathroom along with our downstairs guest room. So for the first time ever, I'm gonna take you through the front door. We're getting ready to have our patio poured here, our front porch. And you'll notice the drywall is really giving this place some character. We have our big screened in porch back there. We've got our kitchen coming together, our little pocket office over there. And you'll notice on the ceiling in the living room, there's no drywall. That's on purpose. They didn't forget to do it. We're doing the pine tonguing roof, just like we are in our screened in porch. And this is really starting to take shape. So as you can see, we've got the really nice pine boards in our roof for our screened in porch. So right now I'm standing on the fireplace, which is liable to happen when we move in. And you can see the kitchen. Over here to the right is our master bedroom. And then over here to the left will be our mud room. I take you back there and show you our mud room and laundry room and pantry and closet, but it's getting late in the day and it's dark. But if we go to the master bedroom, you can see it's really starting to take shape with our pocket office entry into our bedroom. This bedroom is always nice and bright, we've noticed. It just stays so nice and bright in here. We're so lucky to have that. That'll be our view. And then if I pan around, we've got our bathroom coming along. We're in the process of picking out tile for our shower. On the other side of the house, the place that everybody wants to know about is the guest room. Even got a microwave here if we need to warm up some food. As we come over here, we've got our guest bathroom, again, best view in the house, and our guest bedroom coming along quite nicely. Making progress, got a place for you guys to stay, can't wait for you to come visit. So the first thing I wanted to show you today is, so that is actually our air vent from Aria. And I'm not sponsored or anything, I'm not getting paid by them or anything. I do think this is a very cool product and that's why I wanted to show you today. I will have a link in the description below if this is something you'd like to add to your house. They make all sorts of sizes and flavors. These happen to be the Drywall Pro model. I think that's what they're called. And for new construction, they actually mud them right into the ceiling. So as you can see there, all you'll see in the ceiling is that little square for the air vent. And that little square actually pops off in the middle. And there's some adjustable dampers on the back end so you can open and close and adjust the dampers as you'd like. And when it's all painted and everything the same color as the ceiling, that's all you'll see. Carrie and I really like this option over a typical air vent. For some of the more noticeable high traffic areas in the home, they can get a little pricey, so we didn't put them everywhere. But those places where we knew it was gonna have a big visual impact, we decided to add these. Tell me what you think. Do you like these? Are they too modern? I think they're great. I think they're a great look. And for those areas where you don't want an air vent with dust and dirt and cobwebs hanging off of it after a few months, I think it's a great option. Bailey, are you happy to be home? This is something I've been really excited to share with y'all. This is an Aquor hose hydrant. Again, they're not paying me. I'm not sponsored. This is just a product that I think is really, really cool. This can be added to a new home construction house, or it could be retrofitted if you already have a house. I'll have a link in the description below if this is something you want to purchase for your house. But this is the modern take on the outside water nozzle. So instead of hooking your hose up and screwing it to the nozzle on the side of the house and turning the knob to get your water, this house hydrant allows you to plug right into it and get water on demand. It's got stainless steel construction. It's customizable with these different covers that you can put on the outside. We're going with gray for our house, but they come in stainless and black and different colors. It's also got the nozzle built back into the wall. That helps eliminate the possibility of your pipes freezing during the winter. And this anti-pressure valve right here makes sure that all the water is out of your line after you turn your hose off. It comes with a bunch of attachments so that you can hook your hose up to the attachment, plug it in, and have instant water. It also has attachments where you can put a valve on there so that you can turn the water on and off like you would a regular hydrant. The other cool thing from Aquor that I found on their website is this nice teak plate, and we will actually stain this and protect it to make sure that it stains wood, and we won't have our painters paint that. We really like the way that finish looked. Overall, it's really heavy duty, it's really solid, it's not some nozzle that's gonna, shake around when you attach a hose to it. And when the cover's closed, it looks nice and neat. Again, if you want one, I'll leave a link in the description below, and I think it's a great addition for any home. So before we go, I'm down here by the lake, and we wanted to give you a quick update. We will be continuing the house tour videos, but we're also going to start something a little bit new. We finally got approved to build our stairs down to our dock, and with that, a small deck that'll be about halfway down where we can put some chairs if you need a rest, depending on what kind of day it is. As I build that deck, I'll be posting videos and the progress, and I'll show you how I do it. I've got a design in my head. I don't have any plans. I'm not a professional, but I think it's going to turn out pretty nice, so I hope you stay tuned for updates on that as well. So this is going to conclude our video, and as always, we always like to show Bailey hanging out at the house. She loves it here. If you have any other comments, ideas, or feedback of things that we can add to our house to make it better, or things that you added to your house that you think we would enjoy, put them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you guys. Again, thank you for watching. We appreciate the support, and we'll see you in a few weeks.